forget Letty's ham, can we?
Letty's ham.
Letty's ham? You mean you can have ham now? This is for when we get there.
So where we going today, Claire?
What's with the boy?
I don't know.
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
New Loge Farm.
And what was we supposed to be going there for?
Carefree Caravanning.
Carefree Caravanning. Yes, we was meant to be going to see Carefree Caravanning this weekend at New Loge Farm. But for obvious reasons of the COVID variety, it's been cancelled. They did give us the offer of refund or to change your stay to another time or to carry on with their booking. We decided to carry on with the booking. So we're going to make our way there today. As I said in the previous vlog, we've got a new sat-nav, a truck sat-nav, so we're going to give that a bit of a go as well. So I'll let you know when we get there on how it goes. It's only an hour and a half from where we are anyway, so I might not get a chance to use it properly. Or to test it properly, sorry. But we'll see how it goes, so we'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye.
Half an hour into the journey. Traffic. We're literally 20 minutes away from home and we've been travelling now for about
Half an hour into something like that.
longer than half an hour.
I reckon. Well, this is the joys. If any of you are from Nottingham, Clifton Bridge was...
Got the new sat-nav on.
Oh yeah, I got the new sat-nav on. But Clifton Bridge was... well, how long ago was it now, Clifton Bridge? Christmas time?
No, I don't know.
I'm sure you're right, Christmas time, just after Christmas.
Ooh, Duke.
Oh, ouch. After Christmas time, there was a problem with Clifton Bridge, where it was starting to crumble. So this is why we're sat in this kind of traffic. And for some reason, near home, they've put diversions in, but diverted to some traffic lights, so half of Ilkeston's queuing up.
Stressy.
Dressing room.
Hate the car, don't you? Hate it with a passion. Anyway, see you later. You have to eat me.
Oh, we're set up. Finally here. Got that bit of a view. We did want to come in forwards with the caravan, but where the amenities are to plug in for your water and everything's on the wrong side for us, so we've had to go in backwards. But at least we've got the view from the awning. And so far, so good. Update on the sat-nav. Sat-nav went great. A few little issues. I think one's just because it's new. Just working out how to use it, and the other was it kept telling me speeds. I was going too fast for the roads when I wasn't, so it's look a bit funny on the speeds. It don't realise what the speed limits are on the roads. So, but all in all, it was good sat nav. It did its job, but it was only a short journey. So, speak to you in a bit. Just sat here now after we've set up, and I've been looking over the way, and a few caravans down from us. I don't know if you can see. Looks like caravanning with our Westies are there. So they're here. Don't know who else is here yet, if anyone else has still decided to come. But, it is a bit windy and a bit cool out today, to be honest with you. But, just set the TVs up ready for later, just so we can chill out and relax. And we're just doing some fish finger sandwiches on the Kadak.
See?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Jumbo fish fingers.
Yeah. And I'm going to have one with the best sauce ever. Salad cream. And Claire's got tartar sauce. Look. Tartar sauce. Yeah.
Get it then. Keep on. Letty. You're setting all the dogs on the campsite wild with your squeaky ball. What you got? Can you see it? Shall I do it again?
Yeah. Could you get any further under there?
I bet that's a cracking shot in between my thighs.
What are you doing down there, mate?
She's waiting for a
You hated the journey here, didn't you?
She's waiting for a topping.
Stressing all the way, but this is lovely. Sitting under this canopy. A couple of cans. I was going to say cans, but pedigree.
Yeah, but look what we've got for later.
Look at that. So this is tea tonight. We've got chicken, well, we've got tikka masala sauce.
Rice.
Uncle Ben's.
Chicken. And then we've just picked up a quiche, because why wouldn't you pick up a quiche?
Because I can guarantee, as soon as we get back to the caravan, and we'll sit down and eat all
I
this,
wish we'd brought one.
and we'll start drinking wine, and Claire will go, I wish we brought that quiche now. So, yeah, there you go.
He loves me really.
She says.
How many layers you got on, Ben?
Me? Got a t-shirt on,
Yeah.
fleece jumper on, and a body warmer.
Getting old, aren't you?
No.
Show the viewers Letty's nuggets and what she's waiting for.
If anyone wants to see me Letty and they want to get to her heart straight away, get some of these, because she absolutely loves them.
Favourite.
Oh,
Boar flavour.
there's an old lady, when we take her out for a walk on the park at home, that as soon as she sees her, Letty's pulling us around the park to get to her.
Because she carries her favourite toffees.
Yeah.
5.
But, look at that, sunshine's out, look. It's great. Oh, sorry.
5. Good girl.
The way to Letty's heart.
One more.
They're pretty good on these, as well as they're quite healthy for.
Yeah, they're not too bad, they're quite low fat. 5. The other one. Good girl. Yeah. Slobber.
Yeah.
Save the rest.
And we're drinking a pint here outside the caravan. That's the view. That's fun.
Westies are over there.
Westies are over there. I think we've pointed them out. I think they've just gone out for a walk actually.
Just come back.
Oh, they just come back, have they? So, yeah, hopefully we might get them to catch up. But
Cheers.
cheers, guys.
Oh,
Oh.
spilt it.
And Letty. Catch you again in a bit. Look at this lot. How much was the chicken from the shop, farm shop?
£5.50 I think. for two
£5.50.
breasts.
2 breasts. And how much was the masala? £3.80, is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Just added some mushrooms,
and some mushrooms.
some spinach, and just some barbecue seasoning on the chicken. And coconut
Garlic.
garlic.
Well, I found when we first got this chef pan, it was fantastic, nothing stick. Didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, now
Starting to stick a bit now.
things started to stick a bit, so like we've decided to try the fry light on it this time, and it seems to be doing the trick. So,
Then we just got
Yeah.
a bit of, well, I've not brought it out actually. It's a pilau rice. I think it's in
being
there.
our rice. I'm just going to show you this beer we're drinking. Any of you that like your real ales and stuff like that. This is Blue Monkey. It's a local brewery to us. in Giltbrook, which is probably about 10 minutes from where we live, something like that, isn't it? This one's BG6, 4%, absolutely fantastic beer. I'd recommend it if you're ever looking for something nice, a session beer to drink. So definitely look out for that one, BG6 Blue Monkey. Let's have a look at that view.
Kind of wish we got a smell vision.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Put the rice in there. There's the beer. You probably get, how many pints? We've had 8 pints, haven't we, after that keg?
Yeah. Well, 8 and then.
8, and then we've got that in there that I've just tipped out. So you could possibly say it's pushing 9 pints after the keg. And that cost me £22. I can't.
See how this works.
Oh, let's, yeah.
So go in it.
Where's Lefty? What are you after? Hey? Oh, there we go.
Oh wow. Chuck the whole lot in. Smells good, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Heat go down anymore? Will the heat go down anymore?
I suppose so, yeah. What caddock we got?
Forest Chef 2.
Forest Chef 2. So if anyone's interested in Forest Chef 2, it's yeah. Try and give you a bit of a high thing.
We just have to get in the pile of dish, aren't we? But
yeah,
it's that stuck everywhere at the minute.
With this one when we first bought it, we got the chef pan and the barbecue grill. Well, we didn't see the point in using the barbecue grill because all the fat and them drip through to the bottom, whereas this keeps it all contained.
Just keeps it clean.
Yeah, just keeps it a bit easier to clean then.
I think with that done.
But,
so tikka masala with spinach, mushrooms and chicken.
yeah. If it tastes as good as it smells.
Yep. We're cracking. Just need some serving bowls. Actually, use these to be fair.
Yeah.